Hey everybody, we're going to do a quick demo here on how to use the Shape Builder tool and the Pathfinder tool. It's going to allow us to combine these elements with our frames right here. So first things first, I have my finished completed frame. You can see it's got the blue lines on the outside. There's no line on the inside, meaning it is in fact a completed frame. We're going to take our first element right here, layer 1, and we're going to combine it with this one. So make sure when you select both objects, they are overlapping, even if ever so slightly. We'll move this one down and over just a little bit. We're going to select both the element and the frame and come over here to our Shape Builder tool. We're going to click and I'm going to zoom in to show you what I'm doing here. So I need to combine these elements. Shape Builder allows me to do that real quickly by just selecting through the different boxes, and all of a sudden that becomes one combined piece. We want to make sure we don't select inside the middle like this, because otherwise it just gives us a black box. So make sure you only select your element and then the parts of the frame that are overlapping it. Come under here to the T-Rex one more time. Let's do that again. I'm going to make sure his tail and his feet are overlapping, so when the laser cutter cuts it out, it's going to offer a little more support. I'm going to select those again. I'll zoom in. I'm going to go back to the Shape Builder tool. I'm going to select his feet. Oh, I selected the inside, his feet, and his tail. And now the T-Rex is all part of that piece. Once again, one solid piece now. Got to come over to this piece, align this a little bit better. This should be layer 3. I'm going to select both of these, go back to my Shape Builder tool, select through those pieces, and that becomes one piece. Now let's go down here. We're going to use the Pathfinder tool this time. That can be found in Window, Pathfinder. So I'm going to select that and bring that to the front. That's going to look a little something like this. We're going to be using the Unite tool. So I'm going to select both these objects and I'm going to unite them just like that. It's like the Shape Builder in this case. Sometimes they work slightly different depending on how you're using them. But as you can see, it works fine here. Once again, I'm going to select both my element and the frame. You can see that it's overlapping the frame, the element is. We're going to use Unite one more time. There we go. And last time, let's combine these clouds with the frame. I'm going to select all those and I'm going to select Unite. And there we go. All of our frames are now one piece with their elements.